Hello, welcome to Nani's Sewing Room. Today is going to be our first video for our 365 days of Granny Squares tutorial. We're actually on the second week. This is the sunflower. I will go back and make a video for the first week. Today we're going to start with, I have three colors. I have a brown, a yellow, and a green acrylic worsted weight yarn. I use Red Heart label. Also, we're using a 6mm crochet hook, and then I have some scissors to cut the thread. So we're going to start out with chaining 4. So make you a little loop there. We're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go to that first chain and we're going to do a slip stitch. Okay, now into the middle of our ring, we're going to do 16 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to stop there, let you continue on. When you get to 16, we'll meet back up and close off this round. Okay, now you should have 16 double crochets in a circle, and we are going to slip stitch to that first double crochet. Okay. Just pull that on through. And then you can just weave in the ends. I will also be showing you how to felt your ends in a different video if you want to learn how to do that. Make sure you've pulled your string tight to close your hole as much as you can. And now we're going to join our yellow yarn. You can go anywhere on the circle as long as you're between 2 double crochets. And we're going to join this yarn with a slip stitch. And we're going to make a puff stitch in between each double crochet all the way around. We'll end up with 16 puff stitches. So to make the puff stitch, you're going to yarn over, go through that space, pull through, yarn over, go through that same space, pull through. One more time, yarn over, go through that same space, pull through. You'll end up with 7 stitches on the hook. You want to try to make sure they're all even. Yarn over and pull through all 7, and then chain 1. All right. Onto your next space between the double crochets. Yarn over, through that space, pull through, yarn over, through that space, pull through. One more time, yarn over, through that same space, and pull through. 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and then chain 1. And continue this all the way around your circle until you have 16 total. And we'll meet back here at the end. Okay, you should have 16 puff stitches all the way around. And what we're going to do now is we're going to slip stitch into that chain in the first stitch. Pull that on through. And you'll weave those ends in as well. And then next we will add in our green yarn, acrylic worsted weight yarn, and we'll begin making our square. And you can choose any space you want between the puff stitches. start anywhere you want. We're first going to join the yarn. And we're going to make a chain 2, and that's going to be our first double crochet. Second double crochet, and then chain 2, and then we're going to do another double crochet in the same space, and one more double crochet in that same space. And this creates our first corner. All right, in the next space between puff stitches, you're going to do another double crochet. Skip to the next space between puff stitches, double crochet. The next space between puff stitches, another double crochet. So 3 double crochets in a row. This next space is going to be the next corner. So we're going to double crochet, double crochet again in that same space, chain 2, double crochet again in that same space, and one more double crochet in that same space. And this is your second corner. We're going to do 3 double crochets in these next 3 spaces. Next puff space, we're going to do double crochet. Second one, double crochet. Third one, double crochet. Now we're going to go to the next space between puff stitches, and we're going to do the third corner. So we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in that same space. All right, now next space between puff stitches, double crochet. Next space, double crochet. Next space, double crochet. Next space is going to be our last corner. We're going to double crochet. Second double crochet in the same space, chain 2. Double crochet in that same space. And one more double crochet in that same space. All right, we've got all of our corners done. Now we're going to go across to the next corner with a double crochet in each space between puff stitches. One double crochet. Next space, 1 double crochet. Next space, 1 double crochet. And lastly, we're going to go in that top chain, and we're going to slip stitch. And we have the 3rd row completed. Clip that, pull that through, and you'll be weaving that in. Okay, now we're going to go back and add in our final border, and I'm using yellow. You can really use any colors you want, but I'm using yellow. So we're going to go in this first corner here, join the yellow, and going to do a chain 2. That'll be our first double crochet. Double crochet again, chain 2, double crochet, and one more double crochet in that same space, and this will be our first corner in the border. Now this is the corner in the previous row, so you're going to skip those 2 double crochets and go into this space, and you're going to do 2 double crochets in this space. The next space between double crochets, you're going to do 2 double crochets. Next space, 2 double crochets. Next space, 2 double crochets. Now you're at that second corner. You have 2 double crochets, a space, and 2 double crochets. You're going to go into that next space after those 2 double crochets, and you're going to double crochet again in the same space, chain 2, double crochet again in that same space, and one last double crochet in that same space. Okay. Now, don't forget, this is the corner. So you're going to skip these 2 double crochets, move into this space, double crochet. One more double crochet in this same space. Next space, 2 double crochet again. Next space, 2 double crochet. Next space, double crochet. Start that one again. We're going to do 2 double crochets in this space. 2. Now we're back at the next corner. Now remember to skip those 2 double crochets in the corner, go to this middle space, and you'll do another corner. So you're double crocheting 1, double crochet 2, double chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet in that same space. You're going to skip these 2 double crochet from that corner, and you're going to do 2 double crochets in this next space. And 2 double crochets in the next space. And 2 double crochets in the next space. Now you're at the next corner, so you're going to, oh, got one more there, missed it. 2 double crochets in that space. Now we're to the corner. So you're going to skip these 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets into this space, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and you're at your last corner, almost there. Gonna skip these 2 double crochets from that previous corner, and we're gonna do 2 double crochets in this first space, 2 double crochets in this next space, 2 double crochets in the next,
going to get you in trouble. They said you may be upset with the whole process. You may be having a bad day. You may be short on time getting
One
on your
more,
flight. But they said
2 double crochets,
you focus on your intent. That's getting on the flight and getting home or getting to wherever you're flying to. Just being cooperative and helpful with both.
and we're at our last corner, so you're going to slip stitch to that next corner.
Yeah, and it's just the right thing to do. Just be kind. It's just their job. People are all trying to get through the day just like you are.
And put that off, pull it through. And you just kind of have to stretch that into place. Gonna weave in all your ends, or you're going to felt them in, which I can show you how to do in a separate video. But there you go. And if you're blocking, you can block as you go if you want. That's what I want to do, is block as I go. Spray a little water on that. And it'll be so much easier to sew together if you block them. All right, and that's the end of this tutorial. Be looking for the tutorial on the first granny square. I'll have it done next, so you won't be too far behind. I'm so glad you came with me today, and I hope you enjoyed this granny square, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks.